Yes, congratulations and welcome on board. Grabe, proud ako sa iyo for taking action sa pag-avail ng ating VIP Done For You Digital Business Kit. And ako nga pala si Michael Sultan. I'm here to guide and support you sa journey mo. By the way, dati rin akong OFW and through this kind of business, nagawa kong makapag-for good, makapag-travel, makapag-save, at mabili yung mga pangarap ko ng paunti-unti. At the same time, wala na akong boss. And I believe ito din yung pangarap mo na magkaroon ka ng peaceful at freedom na negosyo na pwede mong gawin kahit saang lupalop ng Pilipinas. As you can see, I'm shooting this video nasa lang ako coffee shop and just enjoy my moment here. So ito yung guide mo, my friend. So number one, after payment, sisinamin sa'yo yung guides. It's either sa email, sa Instagram, or sa FB page. Number two, check mo yung PDF guide and follow the steps. And step number three, message me anytime for help. So basta mag-message ka lang sa akin kapag naguluhan ka or meron kang mga katanungan, don't hesitate na mag-ask ng question. And number four, meron kang 1 hour na coaching session with me for clarity and jumpstart your business. And before tayo magtapos sa ating video na ito, tuloy yung iwan ko sa iyo na wisdom from Rabbi Israel Baal Shem Tov. Sabi na rito, a person who is not willing to invest in themselves will never achieve true success. Okay, so once again, I'm sure proud of you and I believe in you from the bottom of my heart. Once again, this is Michael Sultan and God bless you and see you on top.